Hi, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sarah. I am an English teacher. I am from Lahore. I have completed MA and Bachelor in Education. I'm a passionate teacher with 5 years of experience in primary education, focused on student growth.
Why do you want to work at this school?
I admire your focus on creativity and student-centered learning.
What are qualities of a good teacher?
From my point of view, 1. A good teacher should be sincere. 2. A good teacher has strong communication skills. A good teacher shows patience. Good teachers have strong knowledge about their subject. Good listening and speaking skill is necessary.
How do you handle classroom discipline?
I set clear rules, stay consistent, and use positive reinforcement.
How do you motivate students?
I use interactive lessons and praise effort, not just results.
How do you use technology in class?
I use smart boards, videos, and learning apps to boost engagement.
What are your weaknesses?
I'm patient and confident lady. I have no weakness.
Very good and appreciating. What are your strengths?
I'm patient, organized, and great at connecting with students.
What's your teaching style?
Interactive and student-focused.
How do you improve speaking skills?
Through debates, role plays, and daily conversation practice.
How do you assess students?
Regular quizzes, speaking tasks, and written assignments.
How do you support weak students?
I give extra help, simple tasks, and lots of encouragement.
How do you make class interesting?
I use games, videos, stories, and real-life topics.
Why should we hire you?
I'm passionate, creative, and help every student improve.
What are your salary expectations?
I am expecting the salary as organization norms as per as my designation and my qualification and experience, which can help me to maintain the standard of level of my personal and economical needs.